I explained to Jeremy today that you were banned from the Ford fucking forums. And he was like, how the hell did he get banned from Ford.com's forums? And I was like, he told a guy to commit insurance fraud right on the forum. So they banned him.
This guy
so then he
help.
got all his
Like,
fans together and attacked the Ford
This guy's like, I'm underwater, I'm losing my house, you know, his life's falling apart. I'm like, dude, here's what you got to do.
It was the equivalent of Wings being like, all right, man, so... Or if I were like, all right, here, I don't know, dude, here's all I know.
I felt bad
You're
for him.
going to want to get yourself a 9mm handgun and find the nearest bank. Now, here's how you pull it off. Like, no, you just told him how to commit a fucking crime to get some money. That's what you did.
Robbing a bank are two different things.
And then when you... not...
They're not that different. They're both crimes.
I don't know about the... I know that there's higher penalties for bank robbery in particular, but if we're just talking about, like, robbing from someone's house versus... They're probably a similar punishment.
Dude, just think about there's worse things than like insurance fraud by burning a vehicle or
I think insurance fraud is taken very seriously.
It's not as bad as you think it is.
I've heard people throw out the idea of like, yeah, man, I don't know if I can pay for this motorcycle. I kind of want to just like dig a hole, throw it in it, and report it stolen. But you know what happened today?
What did happen today?
What happened today? Dude. Found out that he didn't really lose that boat. Sent him up on all kinds of charges. Apparently he got a speeding ticket one time and that compounded it. He's doing 3 years. It's like some crazy shit like that.
3 years? You're out in a year and a half on like good,
oh my God,
behavior.
Wings.
Oh, Wings, you would seriously do a year to get out from under
bank You go away from 10 minimum. You get 10 years minimum on a bank robbing. You're trying to compare it.
Wings is sitting there like, yeah, you could laugh your way through a year of prison.
At a diamond store.
But I'm just saying, you're putting insurance fraud on the same level as bank robbery.
But
it's not.
Your plan involves going to jail. And 2 weeks in, you're
My plan doesn't involve going to jail.
Did you tattoos a swastika
yeah,
on your
right.
ass.
Did you not see what I said to that guy on that Ford forum?
No, I didn't. But I know that you.
I could tell you right now.
I know that you
hear it.
Tell me.
All right. The way you get away with insurance fraud by burning a vehicle, and this works. I've seen it happen. It's happened a number of times.
Wings is about to commit conspiracy to commit insurance fraud.
No, I'm not, because I don't have a truck with a note on it anymore.
I don't think they know what conspiracy to commit insurance fraud means.
What does it mean, Kyle?
If you take a substantive step, like let's say you can do conspiracy to commit wire fraud if you get together with somebody and are like, hey, we can create a fake bank website and start taking people's money. If you and you talk about this, committing this crime, and then you so much as start researching how much it costs to buy a domain and host a website, conspiracy to commit wire fraud.